In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an unwanted object from a video using InShot. We'll walk through the full process from opening your clip, to isolating the object, to exporting a clean final video. Even if you're new to InShot or video editing in general, don't worry. I'll explain everything in a clear, simple way, so you can follow along at your own pace. First, open the InShot app on your device and tap on the video option. This is where you choose the clip you want to edit. Browse your gallery and select the video that has the object you want to remove. Then confirm to bring it into the editor. Once it loads, you'll see a timeline at the bottom and a preview of your video at the top. Play the video and pause at the moment where the unwanted object is clearly visible. Scrub along the timeline slowly if you need to find the exact frame. Getting this right is important, because we want the object to be easy to see so that our edit looks as natural as possible. Now, we're going to work with tools that help hide or cover the object. In InShot, you can typically use features like cropping, stickers, overlays, or background blur to disguise something in your shot. For example, if the object is near the edge of the frame, you might crop the video slightly so it's no longer visible. Just remember that cropping will zoom into your video a bit, so check that nothing important is cut out. If cropping doesn't solve it, another approach is to place an overlay or sticker on top of the object. Look for the sticker or PIP, which stands for picture-in-picture, or a similar overlay tool. Choose something simple and neutral, like a shape or a blurred patch. Then resize it and drag it so it sits precisely over the object. Take your time adjusting the size, position, and rotation until it blends in as well as possible with the scene. Next, extend the duration of that sticker or overlay so it covers the object for the entire time it appears. In the timeline, drag the ends of the overlay so it matches the length of that section of the clip. Play it back a few times and check frame by frame if needed. If the camera or subject is moving, you may need to reposition the overlay at a few points to keep it aligned. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap the Export or Save button. Choose your preferred resolution and quality, and save the video to your device. After it finishes exporting, watch the final video from your gallery to make sure the object is effectively hidden and everything plays smoothly.